Healthy morning, students. In last lecture we have completed exercise 2.2. Okay. Today we will do exercise 2.3. The chapter is polynomial. So question first from exercise 2.3 is find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by these all numbers. So first of all, let me give you a clear concept about the remainder. See, we know very well if any number is divided. If any number is divided, suppose 2 7s are 14. So here 1 is called remainder. That is the concept about the remainder in our mind. But here we are dealing with the polynomial. So in polynomial, what is called remainder? Let me explain. See, here we are having polynomial p of x equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. See, in polynomial, if you are getting value of this 0, that means it is divisible by the given number. That means this p of x is called remainder. What is it? Remainder. So simple. Here we want to find out value of p of x. If I want to find out value of p of x, I will require value of x. That we get from the question. First I want to check it out for x plus 1. So as I told you, whenever you want to find out zeros or value of x, we have to write factor equals to 0. Now shift this one towards right hand side. X will be minus 1. So now I will subtract minus 1 in this polynomial. Then whatever answer I will get, that will be my remainder. Let us substitute. Instead of x minus 1, here x, that means minus 1 cube plus 3 x minus 1 square plus 3 x minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now we'll do cube of minus 1. We know very well कि if power is divisible by 2, then answer will be positive. If it is not divisible by 2, then answer will be negative. 3 is not divisible by 2. 1 cube 1, but 3 is not divisible by 2, मतलब 2 के टेबल में 3 आता नहीं है. So answer will be negative. Now here 1 square 1. Check it out. 2 is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 ones are 2. So answer will be positive. This as it is. Now let us multiply these numbers. Plus 3 ones are 3. Plus minus minus 3 ones are 3 plus 1. Now round off negative numbers. Add positive number first. 3 plus 1 4. Now add negative numbers. 3 plus 1 4. Whenever you add positive number, number will be positive. Whenever you add negative number, answer will be negative. So 4 minus 4 will be 0. So 0 is remainder. 0 is remainder. What I told you ki value of this p of x is called remainder. Here we are having value of x minus 1. So instead of p of x, it will be p of minus 1. So 0 is the remainder. Let us solve next one. X minus 1 by 2. We'll take 0 equal to this factor. Shift. So we will have x equals to 1 by 2. Let us write polynomial, which is p of x equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Substitute value of x 1 by 2. So here instead of x we'll write 1 by 2. Instead of x 1 by 2 cube plus 3 instead of x 1 by 2 square. Instead of this x 1 by 2 plus 1. Now solve. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8 plus 3, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Whenever you do square or cube, whatever number inside the bracket we are having, you have to do square and cube of that all numbers. So you are having fractions. So cube of 1 1 and cube of 2 8. Here we have square of 1 1 and square of 2 4. this 1 by 2 as it is. Now multiply. Always whenever you multiply fractions, numerator multiply with numerator, denominator with denominator. 3 ones are 3, 4 as it is. 3 ones are 3, 2 and 1 we don't have denominator, so we'll write 1. So to add the fractions, you have to find out LCM. See, generally, whatever greater number you are having, if this greater number is divisible by this all number, then that greater number will be LCM. समझाता हूँ कैसे. ग्रेटर नंबर 8 है. अगर सारे नंबर के टेबल में 8 आता है तो 8 LCM होगा. देखो 8 1 जा 8, 4 के टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 4 2 जा, 2 के टेबल में 4 जा, 1 के टेबल में 8 जा. So here LCM is 8. Okay. So now we'll make denominator of this all fraction 8. Tell me 8 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो 8 बनेगा? 1 जा, 4 को 2 जा, 2 को 4 जा, 1 को 8 जा. अब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई करो. देखो 1 1 जा 1 प्लस 2 3 जा 6, 4 3 जा 12, 8 1 जा 8. और सबका डिनोमिनेटर देखो 1 8 जा 8, 2 4 जा 8, 4 2 जा 8, 8 1 जा 8 will be 8. If I add these all numbers, I will have 27 by 8. So P of 1 by 2 is 27 by 8, which is our remainder. Okay, easiest one. Go through it. Let us solve next one. Next one is x alone. Okay. See, x alone is a factor, so a value of x will be 0. Here polynomial we are having x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Let us substitute value of x 0. So p of 0 plus equals to, instead of x 0 cube, 3 instead of x 0 square, instead of x 0 plus 1. Let us solve this. 0 cube 0, 3 0 square 0, 3 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0 plus 1. So answer P of 0 is 1, which is remainder. Okay, 1 is remainder. Now next, fourth number is x plus pi. So we'll write x plus pi equals to 0, but we want value of x, so what we'll do, we'll shift this pi towards right hand side. So x will be minus pi. Let us substitute value of x, which is minus pi, in the given polynomial, which is p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Value of x is minus pi. So instead of x we'll write minus pi. Then instead of this x, minus pi cube plus 3. This x minus pi square plus 3. Instead of this x, minus pi plus 1. Okay. Now pi cube. But see, pi is negative. So you have to check it out कि power is divisible by 2 or not. अगर 2 के टेबल में आता है तो आंसर पॉजिटिव, नहीं आता है तो नेगेटिव. 3 is not divisible by 2, so answer will be negative. Pi square, but 2 is divisible by 2, so answer will be positive. No need to write this plus sign. 3 minus pi plus 1. Leave the bracket now. It will be minus pi cube plus 3 pi square plus minus 3 pi plus 1. Now you cannot solve this further because these all are the unlike terms. Add subtract उसी को किया जाता है कि जिसका पावर और वेरिएबल सेम हो. So this whole is the remainder. Okay, go through it. Last fifth one is 5 plus 2x. Again we'll write this factor equals to 0. So to find out value of x, first we'll shift plus 5. It will become minus 5. Now we'll shift this 2. It a relation of multiplication with x. So when it shift, it will divide minus 5. Now here we are having polynomial p of x equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now let us substitute value of x, which is minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 instead of this x, minus 5 by 2 cube plus 3 instead of this x, minus 5 by 2 square, 3 instead of this x, minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Let us solve these cubes and squares. 5 cube 125. But as I told you, whenever we are having negative base, you have to check it out whether power is divisible by 2 or not. If it does not come in table of 2, the answer will be negative. You have to do cube of 2 also. 2 cube 8 plus 3. 5 square 25. But 2 is divisible by 2, so answer will be positive. Square of 2, 4, 3, minus 5 by 2 plus 1. So minus 125 by 8 plus 325 are 75 by 4 plus minus 3 5 are 15 by 2 plus 1 by 1. As in previous sum I had explained, if which number is greater 8, तो चेक करो 8 सारे नंबर के टेबल में आता है. 8 1 जा 8, 4 2 जा 8, 2 4 जा 8, 1 8 जा 8. So our LCM will be 8. So how can I make this 8? That means with what number if I multiply 8 to get 8? 1 जा. Which 4 जा 8? 2 जा. Which 2 जा 8? 4 जा. Which 1 जा 8? 8 जा. So these all number will multiply in numerator. 1 into minus 125, minus 125, 2 into 75, 150, 15 4 जा 60, 8 1 जा 8. Upon denominator will be LCM, because check it out. Denominator of all fraction is 8. 1 8 जा 8, 2 4 जा 8, 4 2 जा 8, 8 1 जा 8. Now to solve this, first we'll round off negative numbers. Add positive numbers. 150 plus 8, 158. Okay, now add negative numbers. 125 and 60. So 125 and 60 will be minus 185 divided by 8. See, when you add positive number, answer will be positive. When you add negative number, answer will be negative. So now plus minus minus. Let us subtract 158 from 185. 27 by 8. So P of minus 5 by 2 will be 27 by 8, which is your remainder. Okay. So let us end up this lecture over here. Bye and have a healthy day.